Kevin and welcome to my channel. And this video is for our midterm project, which is we need to do some video clips or educational vlog. And this video entitled Pascal's Principle and Bernoulli's Principle on Pressure. So before I start, hindi ko po kasi masyado memorize, so may copy lang po dito na i-explain ko kung ano po ibig sabihin ng Pascal Principle and Bernoulli's Principle. Let's start with the Pascal Principle. Pascal Principle is the principle behind hydraulic, lifting, and pressing devices. Pascal law is a principle in fluid mechanics given by Blaise Pascal that states that the pressure change at any point in a confined incompressible fluid is transmitted throughout the fluid such that the same change occurs everywhere. And the explanation of Pascal principle is that if a huge tube is filled with water and pistons are placed at each end, pressure exerted against the left piston will be transmitted throughout the liquid and against the bottom of the right piston. The pressure that the left piston exerts against the water will be exactly equal to the pressure the water exerts against the right piston. Suppose the tube on the right side is made wider and a piston of the larger area is used, and for example, the piston on the right has 50 times the area of the piston on the left, and the difference between force and pressure is exerted against the entire area of a larger piston, and forces can be multiplied using a device. While the Bernoulli's principle, it is a flow of air through a venturimeter, the kinetic energy increases at the expense of the fluid pressure as shown by the difference in height of the two columns of water. In fluid dynamics, Bernoulli's principle states that an increase in the speed of a fluid occurs simultaneously with a decrease in pressure or a decrease in the fluid's potential energy, and the principle is only applicable for isentropic flows when the effects of irreversible processes and non-adiabatic processes are small and can be neglected. And Bernoulli's principle can also be derived directly from Isaac Newton's second law of motions. If a small volume of fluid is flowing horizontally from a region of high pressure to a region of low pressure, then there is more pressure behind than in front. And that's all my explanation for the Pascal's principle and Bernoulli's principle on pressure. I hope you understand and like it. Thank you for watching.